Dear children, in today's class, we are going to talk about nutrition in plants. Plant, they produce their own nutrition by a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that occurs in green plants. We can split the word photo into light. So here, plant produces their own food with the help of light. That is called as photosynthesis. Plant produces their own food with the help of light. So here the source of energy for photosynthesis, it is the sunlight. So let me explain to you how this process takes place in plants. Plant takes 6 molecules of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It takes from the atmosphere, because atmosphere contains carbon dioxide, right? So it takes the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere with the help of a small pore called stomata. It takes it, plus 12 molecules of water it absorbs from the soil. With the help of root hairs. So plant takes 6 molecules of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere with the help of stomata and 12 molecules of water from the soil with the help of root hairs. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plant produces C6H12O6, the glucose molecule. During this process, 6 molecules of water plus 6 molecules of oxygen is liberated out. So you can see the overall reaction of photosynthesis process. Plant takes 6 molecules of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. You can see it here. And 12 molecules of water from the soil in the presence of light energy. So the energy source for this reaction is the sunlight. The sunlight provides energy. Similarly, in the presence of chlorophyll, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green color pigment that is present in plants. The green color pigment that is present in plants is called the chlorophyll. So with the help of chlorophyll, plant trap the light energy. So what is the importance of chlorophyll here? Chlorophyll is the one that trap the light energy. It helps to trap the sunlight, the light energy. It traps the light energy. With the help of the light energy and chlorophyll, it produces C6H12O6, the glucose molecule. During this process, oxygen is evolved. So photosynthesis is very, very important process. Why? It is the one that helps in the oxygen cycle process. The cycling of oxygen atmosphere, it occurs mainly with the help of the plants. And during this process, 6 molecules of water is also liberated out. This is the overall photosynthesis process. In the photosynthesis process, what is going to happen? I am going to explain to you. During photosynthesis process, three important process takes place. One is the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. Carbon dioxide, it is reduced to the carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate here? C6H12O6. So the carbon dioxide, it is reduced to carbohydrate, the glucose molecule. Similarly, what is happening? The light energy, it is converted to chemical energy. Light energy is converted to chemical energy. Carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. Light energy, the sunlight energy is converted into chemical energy. So chemical energy is obtained from the glucose molecule. I will explain that later. And third process that is taking place here is called photolysis of water. Photolysis of water. What is photolysis of water? Splitting of water molecule with the help of light. Lysis means splitting. Splitting of water molecule with the help of light. Splitting of water molecule with the help of light. It is called as photolysis of water. These are the three important processes that occurs during photosynthesis. Next we are going to talk about the two types of photosynthesis, or two types of reaction during photosynthesis called dark reaction and light reaction. Dark reaction and light reaction. So here what you are seeing here, this is the light reaction and this is the dark reaction. The light reaction, the dark reaction, it depends on the light reaction, and light reaction, it depends on dark reactions. So I am going to explain to you how this process takes place. During daytime also photosynthesis process takes place. During night time also photosynthesis process takes place. So how this takes place? During daytime what will happen here? You can see it here. The carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it produces C6H12O6, that is glucose. Glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen plus 6 molecules of water. Now, from these substances, from this reaction, the plant can get energy molecules. The energy molecules are NADPH2, NADPH, as well as ATP. These are the two energy molecules that are produced during the daytime. The daytime reaction is called as light reaction. During the light reaction, plant produces NADPH and ATP molecule. NADPH and ATP molecule. This is actually the chemical energy. The chemical energy that is produced by the plant. I told you like the reactions, light energy is converted into chemical energy. This is the chemical energy. So nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide, phosphate, hydrogen. Nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide, phosphate, hydrogen. That is NADPH. Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. So now the energy is available in the form of chemical energy. In the form of chemical energy, it is available during the daytime. So during the night time, we call it as dark reaction. Dark reaction. During the daytime, it is called as light reaction. During the night time, it is called dark reaction. So here in the daytime, with the help of light, the photosynthesis process takes place. The source of energy is light. But here during the night time, the source of energy, it is the chemical energy that is produced from the light reaction. So basically what is the purpose of light here? The purpose of light is to give energy. Here also energy is there, but energy is available in the form of chemical energy. So here also the carbon dioxide, with the help of the chemical energy, that is the NADPH molecule as well as ATP molecule produced during the light reaction, the carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. So you can see it here. Here in the dark reaction, the source of energy, it is from the light reaction, the chemical energy. But here the light energy. So actually what is required is not sunlight, it requires energy. Energy that is there in any form, the photosynthesis process takes place. Energy in any form, the photosynthesis process takes place. So here in the daytime, the source of energy is the light. In the night time, the source of energy, it is the chemical energy, that is NADPH and ATP molecule produced during the light reaction. So without light reaction, dark reaction will not take place. Without light, without sunlight, the light reaction will not take place. So without chemical energy from the light reaction, dark reaction will not take place. So that is about the dark reaction and light reaction. That means all the time photosynthesis process can take place in the plant.